Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning into this spotlight educational video on our stable isotope-labeled metabolomics kit called QReSS. QReSS stands for Quantification, Retention, and System Suitability. It was named to embody the characteristics that the kit was designed to evaluate. That being, its use as a quality control product for assessing performance measures in an MS metabolomics experiment. This could involve tracking method metrics, such as metabolite extraction efficiency, all the way through to tracking analytical detection metrics pertaining to the chromatography and mass spectrometry. Moving beyond these quality control measures, the QReSS compounds could also help with metabolite identification and quantification in a sample analysis, making this product incredibly versatile in its application potential. The QReSS kit itself is comprised of two dried-down, stable isotope-labeled mixes and a user manual, which is supplied for method guidance. The metabolites comprising each mix panel were carefully chosen according to a number of selection criteria. This included, among other criteria, breadth of metabolite coverage and their elution spread in an LC-MS analysis. Noticeable in these mixed composition tables is that the concentrations are not consistent across the metabolite panels. This is because the labeled metabolites were balanced experimentally to their unlabeled analog in human plasma, as shown in the example chromatogram for epoxyphene. The utility of the mixes as spiking standards was demonstrated to other sample matrices too, using a generic metabolomics workflow operated under an untargeted and targeted MS-based methods regime. Please let me know if you have any technical questions on this new multifaceted metabolomics mix, and feel free to reach out to your local sales representative if you wish to receive a quote. Thank you very much for your attention. Should there be any technical questions on the QReSS product and its applications, please feel free to reach out to me at any time. For quote requests, please reach out to Carol Beeland at the address indicated.